Hello, in this video we will see how to install PyCharm on your Mac operating system. Step 1. Search for PyCharm on Google. The very first link on your Google search will be from jetbrains.com. So click on that link, and on the landing page from your Mac computer you will see option for download, the Python IDE. On download page you will see three options: Windows, Mac and Linux. I have created another video for Windows installation. You can check out that on the I button or in the videos on my channel. Now we will be installing for Mac OS. You will see there are two options available. First is professional options, which is paid option with limited free trial and which will of course have additional features. But for this tutorial we will go ahead with the community option, which is free, and then we will download. But before download you will have to be careful to download Intel chip or Apple Silicon chip. So just if your laptop is M1 processor laptop, so most probably it is Apple Silicon, or otherwise it is an Intel chip laptop. You can just go on top left corner and check about this Mac. Here on your screen you can see for my laptop it is Intel. So I will go ahead and download the Intel. Once download is completed, open the DMG file. And now you will see this option on your screen to drag the PyCharm into application. So just drag this PyCharm image into your applications, and that is it. PyCharm is already installed on your laptop now. So just find for PyCharm, confirm the agreement, and now you can see that PyCharm welcome window is loaded. Let's see one simple hello world program, our first Python program. So just click on this new project. On new project there are multiple options which are quite easy to understand: the location of your project, the environment which you want to use. Let's keep it default one, and the base interpreter will select or detect automatically the Python which is installed on your laptop. So before you go ahead with a PyCharm, my recommendation is to go ahead and check the Python installation video, or make sure that you have Python installed, so that you get a base interpreter automatically detected and ready for your PyCharm. So here is option for creating a main.py welcome script. So let's go ahead and keep it as it is and create this project. Alright, so our PyCharm ID is loaded and ready for writing Python code. I'm not going to have any tips, so I'm closing it. On left side project window you will find the main.py file, and here we have our Python code, the default code. You can just go ahead, left click and run this code. Alright, hi PyCharm. That is it, quite a simple installation. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any suggestions or if you like this video, please write anything in the comment section, your feedback, your honest feedback. And if you are interested to learn new things, more things, you can just check out other videos on my channel. Thank you very much for watching.